Welcome to my Homeschool Village. You've just signed up with our program, and I just want to say thank you. But first of all, this is your first email, and I want to give you a little explanation of what you've signed up for. This is not a typical online program that you're used to, and I just want to show you a little bit of what that means. I'm a homeschool mom of 5 children for over 20 years now. My business partner, Heather, is also here. She'll see her in the background. She also has 4 children and has homeschooled for over 20 years. And the two of us together came together and created a program that actually works for homeschoolers. Let me explain. When I had a bunch of children and I was looking for online programs, I would find a good online program, but I could only afford one child on it because of the price tag. And then I had to decide which child I was going to educate on that program. And if I found more than one online program I enjoyed, for example, art or a science, and then I would find a typing one, I couldn't afford to put all 5 children on all 5 programs. So what we did is we did all the hard work for you. We have gone in and partnered with multiple programs, 6 to be exact, more coming soon. And what we did is we went in and we bought in bulk like a Costco. We found our favorites, the ones that we will use with our children. We will not put anything inside this program that we are not currently using with our own children. And what we did is we bought all the memberships for all 6 programs for you on your behalf. So with your small amount a month, you get access to all 6 programs. So what this is not is a step-by-step. It's not like a school. We're not going to tell you what to teach, how to teach. What we're doing is providing you a buffet of online programs for you to go in and pick and choose from. Each one of your children is different. They all learn differently. So you're going to find that we have multiple math programs in there, multiple science, history, all of those things. We have multiple programs so that you can go in and take one child and set them up according to their learning style. Specifically, if you have autistic or special needs children, you're going to need to customize this. So what this does is allows you to customize every single child you have. We also give you access to the entire pre-K through 12 grades because we understand that your children are going to move at different paces, not necessarily something that we decide they're going to move at. It might take them 1 month to get through a grade. It might take them 3 years, and that's okay. They might be at 8th grade level math and 3rd grade level writing. Also okay. That's for you to decide, for you to go in and customize, and for you to make work for your children. That's what this program's about. It's going to take you a little bit of work to set up. Once you go in, we have the instructions on what to do, how to do it, how to set each child up. Please understand, you're going to have to go through child by child, set them up according to their likes, the way they do things. We have a roadmap in there. You can even go in and set them up and do a little test to see how they learn best if you'd like to do that. All your resources are inside. Now, because we have so many resources, it can feel a little overwhelming at first. Please reach out to us. As soon as you click the link in this email, you're going to be led to a video that explains some of these programs, and then you're going to be put into our actual program. You're going to have to set up an account, and you're going to be able to go inside there and play around. If you get frustrated, there is a button in there for you to start to book a little 15-minute call with us where we can come in and help you personally if that's what you'd like us to do. Happy to do that for you. But please know, this is not a get in, get done, teach your kids kind of thing. This program is made for the homeschool mom who's really busy and needs her children to be independent, but also needs her children to have a customized program just for them. If one program doesn't work for you, we have others in there. That's the whole point. You don't have to go out and search and pay more for another curriculum. We've got it all included. So if you have any questions, by all means, you can either reply to this email and ask them. You can go into the program and set up a Calendly with us, and we will do a one-on-one with you for 15 minutes. Or head over to the group. Now, you will need 2 accounts, one for all of our courses and access to our programs, and the other one is for our social network. If you have joined up for the social network for our children, it's in Mighty Networks. There are 2 programs. Use your same logins for both. If it makes you happy, it'll make things easier for you. But yes, I'm sorry, there are 2. Why? Because what we have created here in my Homeschool Village doesn't exist anywhere else in the world. We have come up with a program that nobody seems to understand on the outside world, but homeschoolers get because it works the way a homeschooler's mind works. So be patient with our program. You will have to do some work setting up your own children individually, but we're here to help you all the way through. Remember, we are here to provide the buffet. You're the one who creates the education for your children. Let me know how we can help, and I'll meet you on the other side. Oh yeah, And I go live every Wednesday to help you with all of this. So make sure you mark that on your calendars, Wednesday, noon Mountain Time. I will see you over there. So glad to have you join us.